Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Before you replace the access panel on your canopy vent hood, place a blanket over the cooktop to protect the surface. Now rotate the access panel down. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the two screws securing the panel. Fully unthread the screws to release the old panel. Install the new access panel by aligning the hinges. Then thread and tighten the two screws to secure. Once the rear of the panel is secured, rotate the panel up, snap it into position, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.